What if you could step into a portal and emerge centuries in the past, or leap forward to see what humanity achieves in the next 1,000 years? Science fiction? Not entirely. Today, on Science Sketches, we're diving into one of the most mind-bending, imagination-fueled topics: time travel and wormholes. But before we begin this incredible journey, take a moment to hit that subscribe button, because the universe is full of mysteries, and we're here to explore them with you. First, let's talk about wormholes. These aren't just a sci-fi trope. They're a real possibility predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Picture this. Space-time is like a fabric, and under extreme conditions, it can bend and fold, creating a shortcut. Think of it like folding a piece of paper and poking a hole through it. Suddenly, two distant points are connected. This shortcut is what scientists call a wormhole, or an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Fascinating, isn't it? To understand time travel, we need to ask a simple yet profound question. What is time? We experience it as a constant, ticking forward second by second. But according to physics, time is more like a river. It can flow faster, slower, and theoretically, even loop back on itself. One of the most mind-boggling aspects of time travel is the idea of moving backward. Let's explore the science behind it and the paradoxes it creates. Time travel isn't just theoretical. It's something we already observe, albeit on a small scale. Astronauts on the International Space Station, for example, age slightly slower than people on Earth. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, occurs because time moves differently, depending on gravity and speed. The stronger the gravitational field, or the faster you travel, the slower time moves for you relative to others. In extreme cases, like near a black hole, time dilation becomes so pronounced that a few hours for you might equal years, or even centuries elsewhere. Backward time travel isn't just a challenge for engineers, it's a headache for logic. Take the famous grandfather paradox. If you traveled back in time and prevented your grandparents from meeting, you'd never be born. But if you were never born, how could you travel back in time in the first place? It's a loop with no clear resolution. Some scientists suggest that the universe has a way of self-correcting, preventing paradoxes from happening. Others propose a more exciting idea: parallel universes. Imagine this. Every decision you make spawns a new timeline. In one universe, you're watching this video. In another, you're an astronaut exploring distant galaxies. The multiverse theory suggests that backward time travel could simply send you into an alternate timeline, avoiding paradoxes entirely. It's like taking a detour instead of reversing on a one-way road. But how do we prove any of this? The answer might lie in quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the science of the very small, particles smaller than atoms. It's a field full of uncertainty, probabilities, and strange phenomena that seem to defy logic. Some theories suggest that quantum entanglement and exotic particles could one day help us understand how to manipulate time. But even with these advances, the challenges are astronomical, literally. Building a wormhole stable enough for time travel would require energy on a scale we can barely comprehend. Think about the energy of an entire star, condensed and controlled. Right now, that's far beyond our capabilities. But history has shown us that what seems impossible today might just be the breakthrough of tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe the first-time travelers are already among us, waiting for the right moment to reveal their journey. Time travel and wormholes remind us of one undeniable truth. The universe is far more mysterious and wondrous than we can imagine. It's a playground for our curiosity, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we dare to dream. So, what do you think? Could time travel become a reality in our lifetime? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow explorers. And don't forget to subscribe to Science Sketches, because the cosmos is calling and there's so much more to discover. Until next time, keep wondering, keep questioning, and keep reaching for the stars.